Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. First of all, my Shravada Nityalila Krishna Vishnu Pada Ashtotra Srimad Bhaktivedanta Srila Anand Goswami Maharaj and Nityalila Krishna Vishnu Pada Srimad Bhaktivedanta Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. So I do my millions of dollar pranam at their lotus feet, and after that, Nityalila Krishna Vishnu Pada Ashtotra Srimad Bhaktivedanta Sai Maharaj and Nityalila Krishna Vishnu Pada Ashtotra Srimad Bhaktivedanta Tirtha Gosai Maharaj and all respected Srila Govind Maharaj and respected Bhaktivedanta Srila Madhav Gosai Maharaj and others, all the sannyasis wrind and all the Harikathas listeners and all the Matri wrind, all the mothers and sisters, I do my Dhamma Pranam accordingly, and please accept my Dhamma Pranam accordingly. So again, Navdeep Sava Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so like annual function we do on the Gaur Purnima.
এই 24 পরগনার মধ্যে আমাদের পরম গুরু মহারাজ নিত্যলাভ ভক্তিপ্রদান কেশব গোস্বামী মহারাজ
from 24 Purganar like the Bhaktivedanta Keshava Goswami Maharaj used to come here.
সব স্থানে অঞ্চলের মধ্যে তিনিও প্রচার করেছেন।
So he used to do preaching here.
আবার আমাদের গুরুপাদ পদ্ম নিত্যলাভ বৈষ্ণব বিষ্ণুপাদ অষ্টোত্তর স্মরণ ভক্তিবেদান্ত শ্রী ভগবান গোস্বামী মহারাজ ভক্তিবেদান্ত ছিল
Narayana Goswami Maharaj.
তাদেরই প্রধান ভূমিকে অনুসরণ করে আমাদের নিত্যলাভ বিষ্ণুপাদ অষ্টোত্তর ভক্তিবেদান্ত ত্রিদণ্ডী মহারাজ প্রচার করেছেন
and Bhaktivedanta Tirtha Maharaj.
আবার আমাদের নিত্যলীলা প্রবিষ্টম বিষ্ণুপাদ অষ্টোত্তর স্মরণ ভক্তিবেদান্ত গোস্বামী মহারাজ তিনিও এই সকল অঞ্চলে তিনি প্রচার করেছেন। আপনাদের হৃদয়ের মধ্যে সেই বীজকে বপন করেছেন, সেই বীজ চৈতন্য মহাপ্রভু নিত্যানন্দ দিয়েছিলেন। তাদের প্রধান অনুসরণ করে আবার আমাদের পূজ্যপাদ Govinda Maharaj, Madhav Maharaj,
and Bhaktivedanta Madhav Maharaj in this line same doing the preaching here and we came here.
কেননা মহাপ্রভু নিজেই বলেছেন,
So Mahaprabhu said that
লোক শিক্ষার মধ্যে বলেছেন ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ভূমিতে কোনো ভাগ্যবান
yes Didi this Harikatha happened now only I'm just giving live
মাঝে হইয়া সেই বীজ করে আরোপণ শ্রবণ কীর্তন জলে গর্ভ সেচন। মহাপ্রভু নিজে বললেন,
so Mahaprabhu himself telling so in this universe like millions of the jivas are wandering like all the bacteria we cannot even seen by eyes. Like in 84 yonis we are traveling from one species to another species. 30 like Sthavar
और 10 लक्षाणी पक्षी नाम
10 like in a birds
ना चतुर्लक्षाणी
and 4 lakhs like in a human species. Means like Gurudev is telling in which like time we used to stay in which species. So like the 84 yonis like we are traveling. So like the 4 lakhs species of human beings, they are only by so-called name by their human beings. They are like by so-called human beings, but they have 2 legs, but actually they are behave like an animals only. They used to eat the animals meat. In this science time, from the ancient time, they are like not like an animal. They are not like a nude. They as the animals don't wear any clothes, so they do not. Humans like always wear the clothes, so they are not like that and a Pashu. In externally we seems like that the human is not like an animal. So by this like many of life has gone. So by the causeless mercy of Krishna we came here. So like Jeever Sarupa Krishna Nityadas, like the Jeev is the actually and a servant of Krishna. This is actually truth. This is our Swarup Uplabdhi. So our Vaishnava Gyan is saying, so we actually servant of Krishna. We should attain that mood, like we are a servant of Krishna. So like in a Brahman Brahmita Kono Bhagyavana Jeev. So like who is wandering in the universe, who is an unfortunate soul who is getting the Bhakti Lata Bij, like the seeds of the Bhakti. So for this like we need to do the sadhu sang. So the punya and a bhakti are different things. So like people used to say like the pious activity and the bhakti is one thing, but actually this is different. So by the pious activity you will attain the heaven, but even by the bhakti like you will attain upper planets from the Vaikuntha Dham, even the Dwarka from the like you attain the Golok Vrindavan Dham. So like the Vaishnavas are giving a philosophy on it. They are telling about the Bhakti Katha. The Maharaj was telling why we came here. Like we do not have a less to eat. We have every nice to eat and we have a nice building to stay. And we are living in a very nice house. But we do not like the Gurudev is telling like we now we all are staying in a house, good house, like our way of living is very nice, so we do not have a lackness of anything. So what kind of the lackness we are having? So Gurudev was telling about it. So
যে জীবের যে স্বভাব,
like the Jiver
সেই
nature.
স্বভাবটাকে আপনাদের উন্মোচন করা। আপনাদের এখন যে আমাদের স্বভাব রয়েছে কিরা, আমরা মায়ার দাস।
So actually the likeness of our nature, like our nature is to serve the God, but we do not have that nature. So we are thinking we are the servant of the Maya, but actually we are not the servant of the Maya, we are the servant of Krishna. So this kind of the nature we are not having. So likeness of the nature.
পড়তে হবে আর পড়াতে হবে। ব্রাহ্মণের ছয়টা কর্ম রয়েছে।
So the Brahmins have the 6 qualities, like he used to teach and he used to learn. So like the Brahmin nature is like he should be in a dadati pratigrahati, he should give and he should take the donation, but it doesn't mean like that the Brahmins like always take and take. So the dadati pratigranati and the dadati and pratigranati, like you should give and you should take. So always we are taking. So like by this, like you are taking and not giving, this will not make an affection with the people. So Rupa Goswami Padina Updeshamrita he is telling, Dadati pratigranati guhamakyati. So by just only giving the things to the others and taking from them with the love and affection, so this arise and a love and affection between the relationship. When you go to the market and you give enough 30 rupees and you buy enough sugar, so by this like you will attain a love and affection to that person. So you give enough money and you take the sugar, so you buy this like you will not get enough love and affection. So the Vaishnav Siddhant is like you take from us and I will give, or you take and you give. So this is the Vaishnav Siddhant, like the Dati Pratigrahati. So like for the Mahaprabhu Seva, like if the one single grain you will give in the service of the Mahaprabhu Seva, so like we will not get any kind of the likeness of anything in this life. So in a Bhagavad you have read about the Sudama Vipra story. So he was in a poor Brahmin. Where he went to the Dwarkapuri, to the Krishna, to meet with the Krishna. So what he take some kind of the grain to give to the Krishna. So he have in one cloth, he put that grain into that cloth and tie up in the cloth and put in the underarms and arms. So he was used to stay in a Porbandar and he went to the Dwarkapuri. That time there was no vehicle. By walking he went there. He went like so far. And he just keep that grain in the underarms. So all the sweat comes from your body or not? So like how much the fragrant the rice, that grain becomes so much fragrant. So he went to the Govind, with the Govind, and he saw the Govind palace is a very high and a very big and a very beautiful. So like where the Govind's palace is so like nice, and where I am, like an I'm a very poor Brahmin. But the Bhagwan himself, he is not a less, he is a Sarvantariyami, he knows each and everything. What he said, what he did to the Sudama Vipra. When the Sudama Vipra was coming from so far, Govind actually saw him from so far, and Govind ran to meet with him and he gave a hug to the Sudama Vipra. So like on the throne he given a place to sit to the Sudama Vipra, and he sat at his lotus feet, and he was serving the Sudama Vipra's feet. So that's the Go Brahmane Hitaya Cha Jagat Hitaya Krishna Hitaya Govindaya Namo Namo. So the Krishna is the protector of the cows and the Brahmins. He by his own he is like showing an example how to serve the cows and a Brahmin. So like the Krishna himself doing the say service of the Brahmin. So himself the God, like he doing the Sudama's whip legs service. He is just like doing the Abhishek of the Sudama's feet. So like when I used to do the Bhagavad Katha, I used to speak this Katha. So like a very beautiful way, like the Krishna washing the feet of the Sudama. So like all the Charnamrit he was distributing to his own family members. So like the Sudama's Vipra feet Charnamrit, the Krishna is distributing to their family members. So the himself God, like doing the arti of Sudama, and the Rukmani Satyabhama are giving in a chamar or a fanning to the Sudama, and they bring like so much tasty and a good food stuffs for the Sudama. So the God himself, the Krishna, he was all like managed. He arranged bed for the Krishna. So like, and he was giving massage to the Sudama's leg and giving a massage to his leg. So how like in a beautiful way the Krishna is doing service to the Sudama. So when like the Sudama became tired, and when after tired he got in a sleep, and after sleeping he wake up, and then after that they both sat together. Like they used to speak katha like a very like an intimate friends. So like how they are in the Sandipni Muni's ashram. So like all the previous ancient remembrance, like all the previous remembrance or that time remembrance comes in their mind, and they are remembering all of the past times they had performed together. So like the Krishna said, maybe like the Bhabi, like the wives of the Sudama, maybe definitely give something to me, send something for me. So you just give me that thing which your wife has sent for me. So the Sudama was trying to hide that grain from the Krishna. So like the 7-8 days he was keeping that pot under arms. So like there's so much the fragrance comes in that rye, in the grain. So how like I can give this grain to the Krishna? So what the Krishna is did. So Bhakter Dravya Krishna Kadi Kadi Khai, Bhakter Dravya Krishna Ulatina Chai. So in a Chaitanya Bhagavat, like the Krishna Das Sorry, Vrindavan Das Thakur. So like Krishna taken a one feast, that grain, second feast, and third feast is going to eat by the Krishnas, and then Rukmini stopped. So means like you already given a lot, but now not more. Rukmini so like keep something for us. You gave much to Sudama. By taking in a one feast and second feast means the Krishna is giving so much to the Sudama, so Rukmani understand that, and Rukmani stopped to the Krishna like you just keep something for us also, everything you will give to the Sudama. So the Sudama Vipra is going back to his house. So like he can say the Krishna, you give me some money. So like he is not able to speak. Like the Sudama was thinking he is not able to tell anything to the Krishna. He was thinking so much. So at least okay, at the time when I will go, so the Sudama was thinking maybe the Krishna will give me something. Like at least something you will give now. But he is not able to ask the Krishna to. The Krishna, Govinda, Sarvantaryami, he knows each and everything. Like he's telling, stay one more day. But the Sudama said, no, I have to go. So, okay, then the Sudama starts to go. The Swam Bhagwan and the Sudama is going from the Raj Sabha. They reach to the Raj gate. They are like telling the Katha to each other and going. But still, Bhagwan didn't give any coin to the Sudama. Like the Sudama was thinking, now he will give, now he will give. But the Sudama didn't give, Krishna didn't give anything to the Sudama. So like the Sudama went like so far that where the Krishna not able to see him, so the Krishna returned back. So like the Sudama was thinking, like the maybe my wife will be asked question, what you bring from the Krishna, and even my son and my daughter will ask the same questions. Then what I will answer to them, like I didn't bring anything from Krishna. When the Sudama reached to his village, so before it was in a hut. So now that old hut is not there. Now it became in a palace. So where, like the Sudama was thinking, like where my hut has gone? Where? So like where? Like he's seeing from so far. Like the Yajna was going in that area. So the Sudama's wife like dressing in a very decorated, and she is looking very beautiful. He do not able to be recognized her. So then after that he was remembering the same Katha, like when the Rukmani stopped, like don't give more. So then Sudama comes to know that so what the Sudama gave to the Krishna, and what the Krishna gave in return to Sudama. Like so much big palace gave to the, and everything like he gave to the Sudama. So like I mean to say, like if we will give one grain to the God on a Mahaprabhu Seva, so what the Mahaprabhu will give us in back. So we cannot even explain it by words. So here the Guru Vaishnavas comes, like coming from your house to house, for which Bhiksha, for which alms we are coming. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said to the Suno Haridas, like this is my order, you should do the preaching, you go to the everyone's house, like ask for the same Bhiksha, like Bhajo Krishna, Karo Krishna Shiksha. So Vansha Kalpatra Vishwa Kripa Sindhu Bhaja Patani Hari Hari Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Shri Gurudev ki Jai.